Have you ever been told your blood pressure is too high? The doctor shakes their head, you feel a little uneasy, and then they mention medication. But what if one of the simplest, most natural remedies is already sitting in your refrigerator? Celery? Yes, that crunchy green stalk we usually snack on or toss into soups might hold the key to healthier blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is often called the silent killer. It doesn't always cause obvious symptoms, yet over time it damages the heart, arteries, kidneys, and even the brain. Worldwide, more than 1 billion people live with high blood pressure. Many rely on medication, but growing research shows diet plays a powerful role in controlling it. That's where celery enters the story. Celery is more than just water and crunch. Hidden inside its stalks are compounds called phthalides. Phthalides help relax the muscles in artery walls. When arteries relax, blood flows more easily, and pressure naturally drops. Think of it like loosening a tight belt. Suddenly there's space and comfort. Celery also contains potassium, which balances sodium levels in the body. Too much sodium is one of the biggest drivers of high blood pressure. Potassium acts like a counterweight, helping flush out excess sodium and easing strain on the heart. Studies have shown that people who consume celery or celery extract experience measurable drops in blood pressure. One well-documented study found that celery seed extract reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in patients with mild hypertension. Even ancient cultures recognized celery's power. In traditional Chinese medicine, celery was often prescribed for headaches, dizziness, and high blood pressure symptoms. So how do you bring celery into your daily routine? Here are a few easy ways. 1. Celery juice. Blend 4 to 5 stalks of fresh celery with a bit of water. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum benefit. 2. Celery snacks. Keep cut stalks in the fridge for a quick, crunchy snack. Pair with hummus or nut butter for flavor. 3. Soups and stews. Add chopped celery to soups, broths, and stir-fries. The flavor deepens as it cooks. 4. Celery seeds. Use celery seed powder or supplements if recommended by a doctor. These are often concentrated sources of phthalides. The key is consistency. Eating celery once won't magically drop blood pressure, but making it a regular habit can create long-term improvements. Of course, not everything is perfect. While celery is safe for most people, there are some cautions. If you're allergic to celery, avoid it completely. Celery is a natural diuretic, so eating large amounts may increase bathroom visits. People on blood pressure medication should consult a doctor before taking high doses of celery extract. It can amplify the effects. Balance is always the key. Want a quick recipe? Here's one you can try today. Celery and apple heart tonic juice. 4 celery stalks, 1 green apple, half a cucumber, a squeeze of lemon. Blend together, serve cold, and enjoy a refreshing drink that supports your blood pressure and hydrates your body. Remember, celery alone isn't a magic bullet. It's part of a lifestyle. Pair it with regular exercise, less salt, more whole fruits and vegetables, stress management. When all of these come together, your blood pressure has a much better chance of returning to a healthy range. So the next time you're crunching on celery, remember, it's not just a snack. It's a powerful, natural ally in the fight against high blood pressure. Sometimes the best medicine doesn't come in a bottle. Sometimes it grows quietly in the garden, waiting for us to notice. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And tell us in the comments, have you ever tried celery juice for your health? Stay strong and stay healthy. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.